So you are writing your informative writing graphic organizer. And you've done your hook, and you've grabbed your reader, you've done your bridge, you've done your controlling idea. And this story is about the role of women. How did women make a significant contribution to the American Revolutionary War? So we grab our reader with, did you know that women were spies during the American Revolutionary War? Next, our bridge is, women wanted to help the men and their new country win the war against Britain. And now we're going to talk about the controlling idea. It responds directly to this prompt, the writing prompt. That's the role of women. So during the American Revolutionary War, women contributed with many different tasks and brave acts. That'll also be added. I think he forgot to write that. So we'll put and brave acts here in just a few minutes. But I'm here to talk to you about the first body paragraph. We need at least 3 more body paragraphs and a conclusion. In our first body paragraph, we start with a transitional word, and that is first. And we say women joined the men of the battlefields as nurses and cooks. And now I have some evidence. These women were poor and needed to follow the army and help the troops. Now, here's where I need my article. So I use the word according to the article, and I've chosen the Founding Mothers article by Cookie Roberts. And in this article, I've chosen this sentence, that they foraged for and cooked food for the soldiers, sewed and laundered their clothes, and nursed their wounds. Okay? And so then he's just going to write that down right here. And you see he started his quotes. And so he's going to put they foraged and so on for the rest of the sentence. And at the end, he's going to put the end quotes. So we'll check that out in a minute.